Hey guys, okay, so in this speed painting, I'm going to be painting a picture of a Rexall sign that we saw on our Route 66 trip. This particular Rexall sign was in McLean, Texas. We rolled through there pretty late in the evening, but saw this sign and it really caught my eye. And interestingly enough, further down in Shamrock, Texas, there was another Rexall drugstore sign, so I'll probably be painting that one in the future. But hope you enjoy this speed painting demo. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.